What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from, I almost said my address, Huntington Beach, California. Nice. I would love to be in Huntington Beach, California. I've never been. But yeah, here's the FedEx package. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share. Check out some of my other many unboxings. If you want to help support my channel as I struggle to open this up, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can also go to cool t-shirt sites like riptapparel.com, that's riptapparel.com, or onceuponat.net. Use my username London Hawthorne when you find your shirt of choice. Save a couple bucks off each and every shirt. Help support my channel. So I got some paperwork saying thanks for buying my shirts from me. So first up, I got this ally flag. I call it an ally flag, but this is human, so it represents several different several different flags. Some are like trans, some are age-sexual, some are gay pride, but I bought this because I am an ally. I may not identify with one of these flags or any of them, but I am a human, and you got a friend in me. So I might be wearing that shirt today. This is a Christmas gift from my mom. This is Jolliest Bunch of Assholes This Side of the Nut House. So this is from Christmas Vacation. Spoiler alert. Make sure it's still recording, sorry. So that's from my mom. I got myself the same one in a larger size. XL. I'm in an XL now, if you're wondering. And this is, I am no longer accepting the things I cannot change. I am changing the things I cannot accept, from Angela Davis, an author, poet. She is a phenomenal wordsmith, and I thought this was a very impactful statement, and so I bought the shirt. And last but not least, this represents some of the best, most iconic African-American women. Ida, Maya, Rosa, Fannie Lou, Harriet, and Sojourner. So some iconic women that represent, peace, tranquility, and acceptance. And that's what I'm all about. So got that one. Got this one. This one. Have you had any cool t-shirts lately? Let me know. Holler at your boy. This one. Thanks a lot for watching. I want to get a shirt like this that says Ally AF, and you've got a friend in me. If you have a recommendation on how to get that shirt made, let me know. I've looked into it, and it's not cheap, so I want to get it cheap. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best. Please subscribe, please share. Check out my other hundreds and hundreds of unboxings, thousands probably. Please subscribe, share. London Hawthorne. Have a great day.